Firavius Charon served as a Chaos Lord of the Alpha Legion during the 41st millennium. Pledging his fealty to the Blood God, Khorne, the gifts imparted to the former scion of the Hydra empowered him to lead his warband to lay claim to the Imperium-held Kuarava system. Reinforcing the Chaos spawn besetting the system, summoned by a latent Psyker within the garrisoned Imperial Guard regiment, Firavius and his men invaded the planet of Kuarava IV, utilizing the spawned warp rift. Attempting to transform the Kuarava system and its domains into demon worlds, should Charon hold dominion of the sector, he would utilize such territories as a staging ground for further Chaos incursions. Promised ascension as a demon prince of Khorne should he succeed, Charon committed all his resources to achieving his goal. Armed with several potent weapons and armaments, such as the armor of Alpharius, Khornate chain axes, and a variety of warp powers, despite his best efforts, the Chaos Lord proved incapable of besting the Imperial defenders. His soul cast into the realm of chaos, the pretender prince of the Blood God suffers endless punishment and torment for his failure. The screams of the fallen serpent, amusing the servants of the Blood God for eternity.